All right, it's Sunday, March 30th here. I'm just drawing, it's a fancy word, extemporaneously, as in stream of consciousness. Okay, I'm going to make this mouth have an orange. Budgies, how are we doing over there? How's my fave art critic, Dr. Chi, huh? I need some lines. Maybe some blue. Where is the blue? Pardon moi. Okay, what do we got? Oh, blue eye sea monster. Yeah, that work. Okay, let's get another. Budgies, you want me to turn the radio up? You can hear it a little bit louder? Yeah. Your hearing's probably better than mine. Okay. I think I gotta get some black ink out. I'm gonna make the teeth white and yellow, maybe with a little red. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Yeah. Hallelujah. Good work, Ellen. Yeah. Nice, very nice, sweetie. A little bit of green in here. All right. Sea monster green. Okay, well, okay, to be continued.